All these people, they will bring their
Aisha, how are you?
Oga yellow.
Aisha.
Oga yellow.
Aisha,
Good afternoon. What do you
please
want?
give her whatever she wants.
Anything.
Anything.
That's my baby.
Yes.
Baby Kuma,
Yes, give her anything she wants.
you are her baby.
I said she give
she's
her
baby number
anything
me.
she wants.
What is baby number what?
Aisha, I said she give her anything she wants.
It is not that I don't like to mind my business, but you keep saying baby to you. A baby, she's
Hello? Is what I said any of your business? Can you just give me what I want? What's wrong with you? Baby, I don't get this.
You say
You
you
see?
want what? Sorry. Oga yellow. You say you want what? Madam yellow.
I need gala and do you have children? Just give me-
Children?
Yeah, children.
Children.
What I mean is children. Baby, what kind of girl is this?
Aisha, what is your problem?
You want don't take something exotic, something big like him. The girl that she brought yesterday, the girl she took for line here. You know why you are chopping gala? Are you a blogger?
No. Just come again. What?
I said the girl that she brought yesterday, the girl she took for line here.
Baby,
Yes.
is it true?
What did she say?
Didn't you hear what she said?
No,
Is
no,
it true?
No. What did she say?
Madam, please, just say it again. Just
You are, am I a child that you will be talking to repeat myself?
Baby, which
did not
baby
do
did
that?
you bring yesterday? Which other girl?
I don't understand. I don't understand.
I don't get
I
you.
don't understand now.
Which other girl
I
did you
don't
bring
understand.
yesterday? Son of a-
Listen, you
Are
teddy
you
bear.
mad?
Hey!
After using and dumping me
Hey!
like that, you choose to bring. Are you stupid? Are you stupid? No, just answer me.
Wait.
Answer me. What do you want me to do?
I can explain.
What do you want?
I can
to explain?
explain.
What do you want to explain? Are you
Wait,
mad?
we're in
Madam,
public.
don't touch me. Don't touch me.
Hey!
Don't touch
We're
me.
in the
Are you
public.
mad?
Babe, we're in
Are
the-
you insane?
we're in the public.
We're in public. We're in public. Go on, shut up. Shut up.
Okunoka. Babe,
Calm down.
calm down. I will
for
explain
what?
everything
Are
to
you
you.
mad? Didn't you
Calm
hear what
down.
she said?
Aisha,
Didn't you hear what
this
she
is what you
said?
cost now.
Shut up.
This is what you cost now.
I said shut
Every time
up.
you be talking,
Are you
you
mad?
be talk-
Why will you have another girlfriend
Calm
outside
down.
of
Babe, calm down. I will explain everything to you.
Don't explain anything. Don't touch me. Are you mad? If you touch me again, I'm going to... Don't touch me. I don't want to hear anything.
Calm down.
Are you
Calm
mad?
down.
Do you listen to-
Calm down. Calm
Shut
down. I will
up.
explain
If
everything
you touch
to
me,
you.
I'm going to slap
Calm
you now.
down.
Are you
Just calm
mad?
down.
Do you
Just
think
calm
you just
down.
play with me and leave me like that? Eh?
Calm down.
I don't want to
This is
hear your
what
voice.
you
I don't want to hear
This is
your
what
voice.
you
I
cost
don't
now.
want to hear
Every
your
time
voice.
you say
See,
what...
Shut up.
You say innocent.
Okay, shut up.
Eh?
Shut up,
This
madam.
is what you cost
Shut
now.
up. Shut up.
Babe, calm down.
Shut up. Let me
Just
touch
calm
me.
down.
I
Just
see
You
don't
go to
touch
that.
me.
You go somewhere.
Go where? I'm going home.
what you want.
I'm
This is
going
what you
nowhere.
cost.
I am not here.
Aisha, please, do you have pure water?
Hey, pure water. I have pure water. Oga yellow, take your madam.
You see what you got? You come and meet me today.
I beg, give me pure water, I beg.
Sure.
What did happen?
Me, I need to take this water, ma, before I give you the water. When you have it, I'm going to
What did happen now? Give me water now.
Oga,
Aisha, Alpha.
you?
It's me, oh, give me water. I'm fine.
Oga, I've been wanting to ask you a question. Your wife, do you know that your wife...
Don't worry about the water. Later, don't worry. Let me go and buy from another woman.
I
Oh?
want to tell you something about
Don't worry about.
Thank you for watching that video. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to always share the video whenever you watch it. She make Aisha feel that guy. To these people, they like the video. They like it very much. And Kuma, I brought it to you that I am open for any advert, any sort of advert. You want to promotion your goods, you want to promotion your services, you want to advertise, you want to the whole world. The whole people of India, Thailand, China, Nigeria, Gambia, Wumberia, everybody want them to watch and to see the product that you sell. I can do that. You come to me. There is always a discount. You call my management's number, the number on the videos. She's management. You should call her and you will take away the labari. And come up with shout out. I do shout out. You want to shout out to your loved ones. You want to tell them you are son and your son and your hash is beating for them. I do shout out, birthday shout out, bed shout out, death shout out. Any shout out, I do it. And if you want to watch more of our video, go to Yambaba Comedian on YouTube. You shall be seeing all of Aisha's video and Ozebu Bobo. Bye bye. Have a wonderful day. Thank you for always showing me love. I also love you so much. Bye bye.